Hello, everyone. Welcome to Informative Blocks. In today's video, we are going to explore one of the core concepts in Qt, the signal and slot mechanism. This powerful feature allows different parts of your application to communicate with each other efficiently. So, let's dive right in. In Qt, signals and slots are used for communication between objects. A signal is emitted when a particular event occurs, while a slot is a function that is called in response to a particular signal. This mechanism is essential for creating interactive applications. Let's consider a practical example. Imagine you have two buttons in your application. When the first button is clicked, you want to hide the label. And when second button is clicked, you want to show the label again. The both buttons emit a clicked signal, and the label has a slot to handle this signal and update its text. Let's see how to implement this in Qt Designer. First, let's open Qt Designer and create a new project. Choose Main Window as the template. This will create a basic window for our application. Next, let's add 3 Q buttons and a Q label to our form. You can find these widgets in the widget box on the left. Drag and drop 3 buttons and a label onto the form. Arrange and style them as you like. Now, let's connect the button's clicked signal to a slot that will update the label's opacity. Switch to the Signal Slot Editor mode by clicking the Edit Signals Slots button in the toolbar. Click on the first button, then drag a line to the label. In the dialog that appears, choose the clicked signal for the button and the hide slot for the label. Do the same with second button and select Show Slot for the label. And leave the third button as it is for now. Next, click Ctrl+R shortcut to run the preview. As you can see, this is working perfectly. To make this more interesting, we'll create a custom slot function to update the label. Click on the Form button from the top menu bar and then click on the View Python code. Then copy the code. After that, open the code editor for your project. Create a new file with the name UI_mainWindow.py and paste the code in the file. Then create another file called main.py and write the following code. Import the PySide2 module and UI_mainWindow class from the file. Then create a new class called mainWindow and inherit all the properties of mainWindow and UI_mainWindow. In the main window class, declare a new slot function called setText. Finally, we need to connect the button's clicked signal to our custom slot. In the constructor of your main window class, add the following line. Now, let's run the application. When you click the button, the label updates to display button clicked. And that's how you can use signals and slots in Qt to create interactive applications. That's it for today's tutorial on the signal and slot mechanism in Qt. We hope you found this introduction helpful and that you can now start implementing signals and slots in your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and happy coding!